Hi, this is Mrs. Palmer, your media specialist. I want to show you how you can access and download and audiobooks through FCPS. What you need to do to start is go to our Tuscarora website and then click on the tab for Media Center. Once you're there, scroll down and you'll see an icon here that says Access 360. There's a high school wall and there's also a middle school wall if you have siblings that might need some books. So what you can do is click on the icon. And it's going to take you into our Access 360 account. There's a couple different ways that you can find books. You could just search for a title of a book. And then you wait for your results and see what shows up. Okay, so as that comes up, you'll see that I searched for The Sun is Also a Star. And that book came up with also another book by the same author. And then this book just came up, a suggested read for you. So you'll see the little book right here means that it is an ebook. So you would read it just like a regular book, except it'll be on your device. And this icon here of the headphones is an audiobook. So you can download this and listen to the book if you choose to do that. You'll see that it says check out. So that means it's available. If it says place hold, that means that you are clicking on it and you're going to be put in a line for the book. And whenever it's available, it'll pop up in your account. So I'm going to check out the ebook. I click check out. It's going a little slow, but it will download. And what's going to happen in order for me to check out any of these items, I'm going to have to enter my ID. For staff, you'd enter your staff ID. Students, you just enter your student ID number, the same number that you use when you come in the media center and also for your lunch. Okay, so it popped up for me to log in. So I'm going to type in my number. Okay, and so now it tells me that my book is downloaded. It's telling me when the due date is, which you don't actually have to turn it in on the due date. It will automatically go back into the queue. But so in order to get to it, you can go up to the 3 lines and click checkouts. And it will show me the books that I've checked out and my due date. If I would like to, if I want to return it, I can click on that and return it early if I finished it. That way it's accessible to other people. But if I have the audiobook, it will just say listen now. That'll be the difference. And then it will start the audio reading of the book. But I'm just going to show you what it looks like when I click on read now. It's going to pop up with the book for me. That's not right. Okay, so there's a technical glitch, but I clicked on read now again, and then it pops up with my book to read. And I can go through and begin reading it. When I get back in to Access 360, it will automatically be on the page that I started on. What you can also do as well, you can bookmark it so that it's easy to get to. You can go here and you can change font size. You can have a 1-page layout, a 2-page layout. It's up to you. Add bookmark, notes, highlights, anything that you want to do. So that is Access 360. You can also get the app. To get the app, you go to your Play Store, download Access 360, and then when you are logging in, you need to search for Frederick County Public Schools and make sure that you choose the high school level. Or if you're doing it and you want to download it because you want elementary books for your siblings or for child development,